This is Cooper, and today I'm going to talk about withdrawing from your TSP account. This is one of the questions I get more than just about any other, and that is on withdrawing from your TSP account, specifically in retirement, because while you're in service and under the age of 59 and a half, you don't really have options for withdrawing your TSP account. You can make loans and things like that, but as far as actually withdrawing from the account, that's not something that they allow. However, when you turn 59 and a half or retire, they give you the opportunity to begin withdrawing or rolling over your TSP account. This is something that not many federal employees know, and especially they don't know the various withdrawal options. But I'm going to go ahead and go over those. And the first one is a partial withdrawal. Actually, to reiterate, there's actually only two withdrawals available. There's a partial withdrawal and a full withdrawal. And I'm actually reading off the headline here. It says, you have two options for withdrawing from your TSP account after you leave federal service. You may make a partial withdrawal or a full withdrawal. Now, within the full withdrawals, you have multiple options, but in reality, you only have one partial and one full withdrawal, so they give you two options. That's very limited. But I'll just give you a little situation that some of you may face or may have faced. Let's say that you have $100,000 in your TSP account. Okay, you decide that you're going to pull out $5,000. You're retired. You just want to take some money out. That way you can repair the roof on your home. Okay, so you're taking $5,000 out to repair the roof on your home. Well, the next time you decide, hey, my car needs fixing. I want to buy a new car. Okay, so I'm going to take another $5,000 out. They will not allow you to take out another $5,000. They won't allow you to take another partial withdrawal. The way you're going to have to do it after you take that partial withdrawal, so let's say you took that $5,000 out for the house, for the roof, well, the next time you've got to take it all out. Okay, you've got to take that balance out. Now, they allow you to take out through a couple different income options, but you're not allowed to just take $5,000 more out because you already made your one partial withdrawal. Okay, this is something that is very important, and before you begin taking any withdrawals, you need to be aware of. Now, within the partial withdrawal, there's a few circumstances where they allow you to take a partial withdrawal. Some gatekeepers that you have to move beyond before you can actually take the withdrawal. And the first one is you have not made a prior partial withdrawal or have one that is currently pending. Now, the sheet that I'm actually holding, where I'm getting this information off of, is from tsp.gov. Anytime I do these videos, I like to go on tsp.gov or opm.gov and make sure that I have the facts straight. And I'll put a link in below to actually the web page that I'm reading the withdrawal options off of. But like I said, there's a few circumstances, and the first one is you haven't made a prior partial withdrawal or have one that's currently pending. So they're saying you only get one. The second one is you did not make an age-based in-service withdrawal while you were still employed. Okay, so the age-based in-service withdrawal is actually what they use is the TSP 75 form. And basically that means that while you were still in service, but you were over the age of 59 and a half, you decided to take a withdrawal or roll over an amount, whatever that is, okay? But the next time, that still counts as a partial withdrawal, so the next time you decide to take money out, you're going to have to take it out as a full withdrawal. The last caveat for the partial withdrawals is your request must be $1,000 or more from your account, so you can't take anything less than $1,000. Now, moving on to the full withdrawals, they give you quite a few options within the full withdrawals. Now, the first one is you can take a full withdrawal as a single payment. So in my previous example, I said that if you took $5,000 out to repair the roof on your home, you had a total of $1,000 or $100,000 in your account. So that would leave you $95,000 left over. Well, you'd have to take that as a full withdrawal, and if you decided to take it as a single payment, you would take the $95,000. Now, if you just took that and deposited it into your bank account, the amount of taxes you would pay, are very large. There's a large tax implication there because it is an IRA. It is a qualified account, meaning no taxes have been paid on it yet. Now, the second one of the full withdrawals that you could take is as a series of monthly payments. So this allows you to choose monthly payments if you want to withdraw your entire account in just a series of payments over time. They actually give you two choices for monthly payments, and the first one is a specific dollar amount. So you could request, hey, for the next, until my account runs out, I want $100 a month. Okay, I want $1,000 a month. Whatever that is, you can specify the dollar amount, or you could use it based on life expectancy. So the IRS will use actuarial tables from the IRS, TSP will, to basically estimate how long you're going to live, and then adjust the payment you receive according to that. Okay. Now, moving on, the next option would be the full withdrawal as a life annuity. So a life annuity is a monthly benefit paid to you for life. Okay, you can withdraw all or part of your TSP account as a life annuity as long as the amount used to purchase it is $3,500 or more. If you have both a traditional and a Roth balance, and this is something that more and more people are starting to have when they retire, because the Roth came out, I believe it was allowed to be invested in 2012. It came out a little bit before that, but wasn't really allowed to be invested in. But there's some people retiring now that have some money in the Roth account. So this applies to you if you have both a Roth and a traditional balance. Their $3,500 minimum threshold applies to each balance separately. Okay, and then the TSP will purchase your annuity from its provider. I believe the provider is MetLife. I may be wrong on that. You can leave a comment if I'm wrong on that, but I believe it is MetLife. It may be BlackRock. That's who they use for their TSP investment funds, but I believe MetLife is what they use for the insurance contracts and is probably what they use for the life annuities. Now, they left a little special information here that says make sure you don't confuse the TSP annuity that you can purchase as a full withdrawal option with the annuity that is part of your retirement package. Okay, so they're letting you know that the TSP annuity is not your pension, okay, because your pension is essentially a basic annuity. Okay, so don't confuse those two. And then the last full withdrawal option is you can take one as a combination of options. So you can withdraw balance using the single payment, monthly payments, or life annuity. So what this really comes down to is you're only allowed one partial and one full withdrawal. Okay? This is an opportunity to see what else is out there. You know, a lot of IRAs outside the federal system don't have those restrictions as far as one partial and one full withdrawal. That's one of the biggest downfalls, in my opinion, of the TSP, especially in retirement. The TSP is great while you're working. However, as you get into retirement, it does have some disadvantages, and this is one of the largest ones, that they only allow you one partial withdrawal and one full withdrawal. But this has been Cooper. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want me to do future videos, feel free to comment, like, share it. Head over to our website, fedretirementplanning.com. This is a new blog I've started talking about issues like these, news articles relating to federal employees, and more. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and look forward to doing more. Thanks. Doing more.